Hello everyone, I'm Goldani Ashwini. I'm here to present creativity and innovation. So, creativity is defined as the ability to produce new and useful ideas through the combination of known principles and components in novel and non obvious ways. So, creativity exists throughout the population, largely independent of age and education. To have an effective research organization, it requires the understanding about creative process, identifying and acquiring creative people, and maintaining an environment that support rather than inhibit creativity. Okay, this is creativity. Then what are the process in creativity? It's a very complex process. Okay, it is unexplainable and comes out of the clear blue sky for the no apparent reasons, but behavioral scientists believe that through specific process creativity emerges. So the followings are the steps usually identified in describing this process. What are the saturation, preparation, frustration and incubation, inspiration or illumination, verification? First one is saturation. So it may be true that some new ideas may come just by the way, but the most important way to get right ideas is to work on the baffling problem and work hard. For example, a manager should thoroughly conversant with the problem on hand. For him, saturation stage normally begins in through familiarity with the problem itself, its history, its importance, its relationship to other parts of the business and its setting. So, it will provide the manager an insight in identifying the real problem and he can think for the suitable solution. Second one is preparation. So, in this step, is a period of conscious, direct mental effort devoted to the accumulation of information pertinent to the problem. During this step, the following activities: what are the structured problem, collect all available information, understand relation and effect, solve sub problems and explore all possible solution and combination that may be lead to a satisfactory solution. Okay, then the third one is frustration and incubation. Frustration, that means failure to solve the problem satisfactorily by the analytical process leads to frustration to the creative person. Therefore, he may engage himself in activities totally unconnected with the problem. He may watch movie, play video games and go for other entertainment and so on. However, the problem fortified with all facts gathered about it incubates in the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind engages continuously in generation of ideas for the solution of problem, even though people may not be aware about it. During the process of incubation, the mind will work subconsciously to create certain new ideas. Then the fourth one is inspiration or illumination. A possible solution to the problem may occur as a spontaneous insight. Often when the conscious mind is at rest, duration, relaxation or sleep. So the creative ideas may and do appear at any hour and under the strangest circumstances. Sometimes many ideas may come when one is not really thinking about the problem consciously. Okay, then the last one is verification. It is a final stage of a creative process and involves verifying, modifying or applying the ideas towards the solution of the problem under study. So intuition or insight is not always correct and the solution revealed in a flash of insight must now be tested and evaluated to assure it which is a satisfactory solution to the problem. So this is actually a very critical phase in creative process because new ideas are worthless until they come into full form and they are available for consideration by those who can use them. Okay, this is creativity process. Next one is innovation. So innovation means a difference can be made between creativity and innovation. The term creativity refers to that the ability and the power to develop new ideas. On the other hand, innovation means the use of these ideas. Okay, so in an enterprise, it can mean a new product, new service, or a new way of doing things. So innovation are based mainly on the bright ideas. It is very risky and not successful at all times. The most successful innovations are often the excited one. Innovation is not only the relevant to high-tech enterprises but also crucial for old-line traditional companies which may not survive without the infusion of innovation. So innovation comes because of some of the situations. What are that? The unexpected event, failure or success, the fact that the difference between what is assumed and what really is, the process or task which needs the improvement, change in the market or industry improvement, change in the market or industry structures, change in human population, change in meaning or in the way things are perceived, innovation based on knowledge or something like that. Okay, this is innovation. Thanks for listening this.